Hello children, so it's a new chapter today. The name of the chapter is insect eating plants. It's in page number 41. So please open page number 41, take a pencil in your hand. So insect eating plant, the name only suggests that these are the plants which feeds on insects. That means it eats insects. So there are some plants that eats insects too. So this is a fact which you should remember, which you should know. Also, there are lots of plants in our environment. So definitely there are some plants which feeds on insects. So there are some interesting names which you will be learning today. So there are five plants which are given. Five pictures are also uh, uh, placed over here. You will be seeing the pictures as well. And what they have done is they have jumbled up the name of the plant. You have to unscramble the word and write it properly. I have done it for you all. You all just need to read the full clue or the full characteristic of the plant which is given. You have to read this full portion, because match the following or fill in the blanks, anything might come from here. So you need to read this full portion, and what you have to do is what I have written, just see it and see the correct spelling and write accordingly. Fine. So number one is, this is a pitcher plant. This looks like a pitcher. See, it's a beautiful pitcher type of a plant. It looks like a pitcher. Pitcher means those vessels where you can store water. So the characteristic, let's read it. The leaves of this plant look like pitchers with a flap that partly covers the top. Okay, insects are attracted to the sugary trail of nectar which is present over here. Sugary trail of nectar. Nectar means it's a type of a honey type of a thing which is very much sweet or sugary, and that sugary thing has a sticky attraction to it. That is the reason all the ants and insects, whatever it is, gets attracted and gets attached to it. However, once they are inside, they are trapped. Once they get inside, they get trapped in it. So it's called a pitcher plant. Number two is, what is this plant? See, this plant with which has a hair like shiny substance in it. It has a small hair like shiny substance which produces a sticky juice. This shiny substance actually produces a sticky juice. This sticky juice entraps insect. It also acts as the same thing. It actually entraps or catches, or insects get attracted and they stick over there, and they are soon digested. As soon as they stick over there, they soon what the plant does, it digests or feeds on it. So the name of this plant is sundew. See, the letters are all given in a jumbled format. It is actually done in the proper format. Sundew it is, sun, sundew. Third one is, see this plant, this is also another insect eating plant. The leaves of this plant have blades. See, blade type of a thing. They fold together and enclose the insect. They fold, these two parts get fold and enclose the insect. A red sap digests the body. The plant dies after capturing three or four insects it captures, and then the plant dies. That is the capacity of the plant. That is what they can feed, and then they die. The name of this plant is called Venus flytrap. Venus flytrap. The leaves of this plant have blades in it. They fold together and enclose the insect. A red sap, what is it? A sap type of a thing gets digested. The red sap digests the body. This is a in between. It is present. So it's a beautiful different type of a plant. So name of this plant, you need to remember it very well. See the spelling I have written already. Come to the fourth one. This looks weird a bit. This actually looks like a cobra. Cobra plant. It is called a cobra plant. This plant looks like a striking cobra. So cobra, you all know how poisonous it is. The nectar in the tongue attracts the insect. This plant has a nectar or a sweet type of a thing which is present in the tongue of the plant, and that attracts the insect. The insect drops into the fluid at the bottom of the hood and is digested. In the bottom of the hood, it gets stuck, and so slowly the plant eats it. It's called a cobra plant. Check the spelling and please write it in your book. Fifth one, this water plant has hollow traps. This is a water plant present in water. Hollow traps means that it is not filled up. That means it is not solid. It's a pipe type of a thing which is hollow in between, in the middle, that catch animals such as worms and water fleas. That means a bit, not only small ants, it catches also worms as well. If an insect touches the bristles on its door, bristles, that means the small thorn type of thing which are present over here. If any insect catches this or touches this, the trap opens and sucks the insect in. Slowly the trap, that means the trap for the insect, that opens and insect gets into it and slowly gets inside. So the name of this plant is bludderwort. Bladderwort. Bladder, bladderwort, WORT, the name of this plant. Please try to write the correct spelling and write in your book. All these 5 plants are important. You need to remember all these names, and one characteristic that you need to remember from these plants. That will be fine. Thank you all of you. Bye.